Do you brush your hair at night with the same brushes we use in the shower? Okay, good question. So I do. I use those brushes often. I don't know who this is, your name, but if you're new to the group, the SM brushes, we're actually working on a new SM brush that has been designed, and it's been meticulously designed. I've spent months and months working it, and tens of thousands of dollars designing this with a industrial designer that's been able to take the stuff out of my brain and create a physical version of it. So the SM brush, yes, I use those all the time, and they're awesome. I still use the current ones because this is what I have. And so yes, you can use these. The other brushes that I like that I use sometimes on dry hair is called the Tangle Teaser. And I've mentioned that a few times, but those also work really well on dry hair. They're thinner. They're a little bit thinner. So they're not quite as aggressive as the SM brushes, but it's all personal preference. That's subjective. But the Tangle Teasers will not work with the shampoo in the shower. So this is, yeah, so you can definitely use the SM brushes. I use them all the time at night to really exfoliate and brush the scalp. The one thing I do not recommend is brushing. If you use the topical solution and you let it dry overnight, trying to brush the next day with dry topical is not recommended, because the topical dries hard, and it's hard to brush through. So you don't really want to pull too much on the hair follicle.